Hey out there, this is Wake Angel 2001, and yes, this is becoming a pretty much daily occurrence, as I have received another package. This one was sent to me by Kevin. I'm not sure if Kevin is the guy's actual name, or if he ordered it from somebody named Kevin. So, let's get in there and find out. I'm holding the scissors, like, I'm trying to do like cool ninja dagger stuff. Alright, so we are cutting the tape. This one's a very simple box flap thing, so it shouldn't confound me like yesterday's did. Okay. Pops open pretty easily. Alright. Ooh, this is a Marvel Legends figure. Got some bubble wrap. Okay. Whoop. Okay, away with that. This is... apparently was ordered from VR Hobbies. Find us online on Facebook and Instagram at vrhobbies.shop. I guess if you wanna screen cap that, get the contact information for this toy website. I'm not sponsored or anything, just, you know, give them credit where it's due. I mean, this toy did come from there. It is the Invincible Iron Man. Okay, I know this guy. This is the figure that Captain Fedora sent to me. I think he wants me to make it into some variant of Mega Man X. Like, I'm not sure if it's an official Mega Man X thing or some concept art, but yeah, that's a pretty interesting looking Mega Man figure in there. Iron Man figure in there, which will become a Mega Man figure. Tony Stark modifies his suit for stealth capabilities to take on cybernetically enhanced ninjas. Yeah, that's the description. Alright, so, it has a sword. Of course it has a sword, because he's going to be fighting ninjas. Alright, so this is a pretty cool one. Nice mint in box figure. It's a really nice figure, but, you know, like, it's... How many Iron Man variants do we have? I'm pretty sure ever since the MCU got started, Iron Man has become almost as popular as Superman. And can you believe in the early 2000s he was considered to be obscure? Like, I would bring up Iron Man and most of my classmates would be like, who? Because I was into Iron Man when I was a kid because I loved those Marvel cartoons, but none of my friends didn't know. Like, a lot of my friends were, like, they didn't really know much about superheroes aside from, like, the X-Men or the Justice League. Anyway, thank you all for watching. This is Wake Angel 2001 signing off.